Alright guys, here goes nothing. That's probably the diciest surf launch I've ever been a part of. Really is true though what they say, you just gotta wait for your moment. No need to rush it. Wait for the big sets to pass and then strike when the iron's hot and get out when there's a little bit of a lull. Oh. Alright. A little bit of excitement to start off the morning. What's up guys? We are back out in the kayak again today. And really there's not really any plan for me today. I'm just gonna go out and see what I can catch. I mean, I want to do a catch and cook. My goal is to do some fish and chips at the end of this video. But really you can do fish and chips with any kind of fish, any white fish, and there's plenty of that out here. There's halibut, lingcod, rockfish, pretty much any of those will work for fish and chips. So I'm just kind of going out and seeing what I can find. There's definitely some halibut in the area. There's always lingcod and rockfish for any rocky structure. So I think the first priority would be to go out and try to catch a big halibut. We'll see what we can do. I feel like the chances are not that high, but we gotta at least give it a shot. So that'll be the first try. If that doesn't work, then we'll try and find some rock structures and try to jig up a few rockfish here. But right now I'm just bounce ball trolling. You can see the rod behind me here. And we're gonna troll out to about 60 feet of water, kind of look around. If I can find some live bait, I definitely try to jig it up. It looks like there's some birds diving out there actually, so that could be the next move. I'll troll on my way out there and then try and pick up some of that live bait and see what we can do with that. You know, I'm the live bait king out here. It's a fairly nice day. Haven't seen any sharks yet. Obviously they are around, there's no avoiding it, but oh, fish on already. All right, well, we just dropped our line down. I got a feeling this is a undesired species, but it is our first fish, so let's see what we got here. It is none other than a croaker. Definitely not what we're looking for. All right, there's fish number one. Alright guys, I was able to jig up a couple of live mackerel here, and some of you might be saying, wow, that's pretty big bait, and my answer to that would be, yeah, it is. That's why we're going for big fish here. Go big or go home. This bait's already fighting harder than any of those kingfish were. Alright guys, little update. We're out to 45 feet of water now. I think I want to get to 50 feet of water, and then I'll start trolling parallel to the shore. Just kind of stay in that, 50-ish range feet of water, just because that's where I've had the best luck with halibut in this location. So yeah, we're almost out to the prime area. I feel like 50 feet is the magic number, and we'll see what happens. I haven't really seen much. I mean, there's a lot of bait. I got quite a few mackerel, some anchovies. There's not that many boats around here, but the few that I have seen, I haven't really seen any nets flying or anything, so we will see. So I guess this is a good opportunity to tell you about a couple of safety features that I've upgraded on, and really I should have done this from the beginning. Don't be like me. But I got a VHF radio, and this is to, just in case something happens out here, you can always call for Coast Guard or other boats to come help you out. And especially in the kayak, well, really anywhere, boat, kayak, out in the ocean, this is like a must-have. You should definitely have this. Like I said, don't be like me and wait till you absolutely need one and then you don't have it. So make sure you get one if you're going to be doing any fishing out here in the ocean. And I also got a pump here. This is good for, I guess, really anywhere, lake, ocean, boat, kayak. If for some reason I spring a leak or something, my kayak starts to take on water, this will be very beneficial to get that water out of here and allow me enough time to get back to shore. So yeah, both of those things really beneficial for kayak, boat fishing out here in the saltwater especially. And I'll leave both linked in the description below. Definitely recommend if you're gonna be fishing out here in the ocean. Really, if you're in a lake, you should have it too, but I feel like ocean is just a whole nother ball game out here. So any safety precaution you can take, you should take.
Any fish?
Nah, how about you?
I just want a little rock fish.
Yeah, nothing here. Something big just hit this guy. Got him. Do we have him? Yep, we're on. We got something good here. It's running. I'm in like less than 10 feet of water, and something just picked up this mackerel. You can see the shore right behind me here. Let's see what this is. I've got a feeling it's like a shark or something. It's been a incredibly slow day. I literally haven't caught a single fish other than my bait. Let's see what we got here. I don't know what this is. I feel like it's a shark. There he goes. What is this? What are you? Yep, it's a shark. Oh, there he goes. Don't fight me, whatever you do. Okay, alright. Oh, look at that. Fighting the handles are real. Alright guys, there's our, I think this is the first shark I've ever caught on a kayak. I'm pretty sure this is like a baby soup fin shark. I think this tail is like a soup fin tail. Anyways, definitely not going to be keeping him. I've actually tried soup fin shark. It wasn't my favorite. And maybe if you are a better chef or know how to prepare it better than I do, maybe it'd be good. But for me, just catch and release. Nice little, probably like 2.5 feet, maybe 3 feet. Little soup fin shark there. It's got some gnarly teeth there. Yeah, you definitely wouldn't want to get your finger in there. Anyway, we'll let this guy go. There he goes. All right, we caught something. So we got a lifeguard telling me that I need to be farther out from the shore. I mean, at some point I'm gonna have to come in and land the kayak on the beach. I don't know why. Can't just troll out here. I don't know if you guys can hear that. This is our third notice to go out towards sea for some reason. Oh my god. Alright, they're telling me I need to be 1,000 yards offshore. not sure if that's a real rule or not, but at some point I'm going to need to land, so not really sure how that's going to work. So I did a little research on this topic after coming back from this fishing adventure, and I'm still not really sure what the exact regulations are here in California about kayaking / fishing close to shore. If you guys have any information on this topic, I'd love to hear your information and then obviously pass it on in a future video. So let me know in the comment section below if you know what the exact regulations are and where I can find them. He keeps telling me to go out, but I'm going to go call it a day. It was a tough day out here. I mean, we did catch one shark. It wasn't really the target species off the get-go, but hey, that one actually fought pretty good. I was pretty surprised by the fight he put up. So fun to catch that. Let me know in the comment section below. Do you guys want to see more shark fishing videos from the kayak? I mean, it's definitely, I feel like there's a great white up here. This boat's coming in close looking at something. Anyways, getting distracted. But, where was I? Yeah, do you guys want to see more shark fishing videos from the kayak, that is? I feel like it's not a good idea, but I'll definitely do it if you guys want to see more of it. So let me know in the comments below. It's probably going to be a tricky landing here. Not only do we have to deal with the lifeguard, but the swell is not small today. There was actually another kayaker who was here this morning before I launched, and he decided to turn around because it was a little too rough. It's doable, but it's not ideal. And like I said in the morning, the key is just take your time. You're not in any rush. Watch the set. Make sure you're not going in when there's a big set. I think we're actually make it happen right now. Hopefully it's not too rough.